Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at what we consider the best all-Clad measuring cups set, the Le Creuset stainless steel measuring cups, set of 4. If you're someone who values precision, design, and durability in the kitchen, you're in for a treat. Let's start with first impressions. The moment you unbox these measuring cups, the quality is unmistakable. They're made of heavy-gauge stainless steel and have a sleek, polished finish that matches seamlessly with Le Creuset's stainless steel cookware. Each cup feels sturdy in hand, not flimsy or lightweight, and that adds a touch of confidence whether you're measuring flour for a cake or rice for dinner. They're the classic core measurements you'll reach for over and over again, especially when baking. Each cup is clearly marked and shaped for easy scooping, and they nest together neatly for storage, making them both functional and space-efficient. Now let's talk about design. These cups are more than just utilitarian tools. The polish gives them a luxurious feel that blends beauty and practicality, something Le Creuset is famous for. And because they're stainless steel, they're resistant to stains, odors, and warping over time. If you've ever had plastic measuring cups that warp or retain scents, you'll appreciate how much cleaner and longer lasting these are. One of the features we love most is how dishwasher safe they are. After a long cooking session, cleanup should be the easiest part, and with these cups, it is. You don't have to worry about hand washing or them losing their shine after multiple cycles. They're built for durability, and they stand up to repeated use effortlessly. Functionality aside, these cups just look good. Whether you hang them on a hook or leave them out on your countertop, they add a touch of professional kitchen aesthetic. This is especially important if you love to keep your kitchen stylish while staying practical. Now let's address availability. One thing to keep in mind is that these measuring cups might not be available for international shipping in all regions, like India. So before placing an order, double-check the delivery options or look for an authorized local seller. They're perfect for home bakers, chefs, or anyone who just enjoys quality kitchen tools. If you've been using basic plastic measuring cups and are ready for an upgrade, this set is a fantastic investment that'll last for years. It's also a great gift option, durable, beautiful, and useful all in one. To wrap up, the Le Creuset stainless steel measuring cups are a true blend of elegance and reliability. They represent the kind of thoughtful craftsmanship that turns everyday kitchen tasks into something enjoyable. For us at Product Critique, it's not just a great product, it's the best in its class. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest reviews on the best products to elevate your everyday life. See you in the next one.